Another favorite question of mine, how often should the maintenance be done on my equipment? I'm going to go right back to what the manufacturer says, what the utility companies recommend, what the governing bodies in the state recommend for all this stuff. Maintenance should be done on an annual basis. We're dealing with electricity, high voltage, and some low voltage. We're dealing with water. We're dealing with natural gas. There's all kinds of stuff going on in this equipment. Manufacturers and other people that govern, they all recommend it's done on an annual basis, so once a year. We really want to make sure that that equipment works right. We don't want any kind of off-gassing into the home. We don't want to have any breakdowns. We just don't want to damage the home or upset the daily balance of your life where something doesn't work. You got to imagine when your hot water heater goes out, how does it feel to take that cold shower in the morning? Well, it's the same way when it's a cold house because there's no heat because it wasn't maintenance. So again, maintenance should be done on an annual basis, once a year for your furnace, once a year for your air conditioner.